Hello everyone. Um, I'm Super Gamer Man here, and welcome back to another video. I'm like, god dang it, wonderful, just wonderful YouTube. Can't you tell that was sarcasm? I hate YouTube. Well, today we're gonna be watching. Reacting to Billy the Fridge. I stand with Misha. This is supposed to be a Leafy is here. Fire cynical, rice gum, etc. Roast. And let's get right into it. So just gonna
You are now about to witness the stretch of kids knowledge.
shut it down. I'm gonna turn that up a little. Okay, did he really start it off like that? Seriously, starting it off like that. Let's get right into his ass whooping. Seriously. Okay. What was that lyrics? Your memes aren't that precious, and your repeat retweets are really fucking precious. I mean, damn, he got he good. Let's just continue. I'll smoke the two blunts hanging out his nose. Seriously, dude. So he would take the blunts out of his nose and smoke them. Oh, damn, if he's that hardcore, then dang, fuck my wife. Nah, but let's continue. Whoa. My fist will go up so far it might cure the cancer. What is that even supposed to mean? Like, is this dude retarded or something? I mean, the dude is a little retarded, but the song is actually kind of good. I mean, dang. Don't you just love how he cuts into the song with Bucktooth Kid? Don't you just love that? Vending machine kid. Whoa, did he just dab? I just realized he has a donut hanging on a chain. Why? How does he worship this donut? Is this donut his wife? Is this what he worships? Is this his god? This is his king, okay? Is this? Someone needs to tell me, okay? Whoa. Talk about some racism. Oh, knock the chopsticks out your mouth. Bitch, go eat some dog sticks. Is what he said. Isn't that just a little bit racist? Or am I just crazy? I might just be crazy. Yeah, that's it. So I had to get screenshot. Thumbnail. So he ends it like that. Okay, let's go over this. First, he starts out with, let's get right into this ass whooping. Then it was freaking, I'll smoke the 2 blunts out your nose. Okay. Then it was during the final cynical, I noticed that he worshipped a donut and with rice gum. I realize he's racist. I mean, I'll knock the chopsticks out your mouth. Bitch, go eat a dog stick. Pretty much this dude's a racist. He's a junkie and a fatso. Well, if you like this video, just do this. Okay, just do this. No, but thank you for watching this video, and please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. I'll do videos weekly, I think. I don't know yet, but if you like this content, this prime, cooked, content, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time on this goddamn piece of crap YouTube. Until then, see ya. Goodbye.